Okay, be gentle, sweetie.
We two kids.
You are two kids, yes.
And we have two car seats.
Yes, you do have two car seats. What else?
We have toys.
You do? What else do you have?
We have clothes.
That's good.
And we have blankets.
Uh-huh.
And toys.
Anything else? Anything else?
No, that is all of that.
Is there anything that you'd like to tell your sister?
Tell me I love you.
Easy.
God bless.
Can you get your hand out of her face, please? Thank you.
She can't. I stop it, Charlie.
Leave her alone, sweetie.
Let's take your picture together.
I am taking your picture. I'm taking a video of you two.
Hey, stop.
She doesn't know. Let her be.
That tickled me, Charlie. Really good. See, like, where's Jack? Hey, Jackson. But you are there.
Be sweet. No elbow to the face.
No.
Okay, that's too hard. Kisses are nice, but only soft kisses. Uh-huh. Okay, very good. Can you tell her a joke?
Nana, please open your door. Ah! Orange, please open your door. Ah! I tell her joke.
Yeah.
Did she laugh?
And she not. I got to bless you, Charlie. Charlie, this cough.
I think that was a sneeze. You know the difference between a sneeze and a cough?
Sneeze and a cough?
Yeah. Not a joke.
Hey, Charlie. Charlie's getting tired. Easy.
Sweet tight. Be cozy. She might not close her eye. Wow, this is a gap.
What?
Mommy, I am the picture.
You are in the picture.
Let me see.
You want to see it? I'll let you see in just a minute when we're all done.
We all done.